Module 2, Lesson 1, Practice 2, Video Solutions. So this time we're going to be given the graph of an absolute value function. We've got to write the function. So all we really have to do here is just fill in the blanks. So we've got f of x equals, it's got to be, the template's always going to be in the form a times the absolute value of x minus h plus k. I'm going to copy that for later. So we just have to identify what the values of a, h, and k are and plug those in. So a, as we've said before, is the slope of the right leg of the v. So that traveling from the vertex to a convenient point to the right, we're going to rise by -1 and run by 2. So a equals -1/2. What about h? H is 0 and k is 0 because the vertex hasn't been translated horizontally or vertically. So we can just plug those in directly then. We'll erase k and we'll erase h and we'll substitute -1/2 for a, and that's our answer. Okay, this time we can see that a is +1, and let's write this down. A equals 1. The vertex has been slid left by 3, so h is equal to -3, and k is 0. It hasn't been translated vertically at all. So if we plug those values in, x minus -3 is the same thing as x plus 3, and adding a -1 out front, we wouldn't write the 1, we would just write the negative sign. So that's our answer. Now what? What happened here? Oh, why did I put negative? I don't know why I did that. No, it should be +1. What was I thinking? You rise by 1 and run by 1. So a should have been +1. That's our answer. Another careless mistake. My goodness. Okay, another one here. Let's see. This time a equals -1. So I'll just make the substitutions directly. H is 0. It hasn't been slid horizontally at all, so we can get rid of that. And k is +4. So once again, we wouldn't write the 1, we just would write the negative sign, and there we go. Okay. This time a is equal to -1/2, so -1/2. H is looks like it's +4. It's been slid left by 4, or right by 4, sorry. And k is -3 because it has been translated down by 3. So let's just make those substitutions. So there's k. We're going to subtract +4 and multiply the whole thing by -1/2. Okay, it looks good. This time a is +2/1, so we'll replace the a with a 2. H looks like it's +4, so we'll substitute 4 for h, and k is +3. So there we go. this time A is positive 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. So positive 3/2. H is negative 3. We translated left by 3, so I'm going to subtract negative 3. Subtracting a negative is equivalent to adding. And K is negative 2. We've gone down by 2. So we can just say minus 2. A looks like it's positive 2 over 1. So substitute 2 for A. H is negative 4. So we'll subtract negative 4, same as adding 4. And K is positive 1. It's been shifted up by 1. Okay, this one, I'm going to leave this one for you as kind of a bonus. I'll make it worth very little. But it's not like it's a really hard problem. You can use geometry on this if you want to. But I want you to be able to draw a picture and set up some kind of a math, either an equation or a geometric relationship so you can solve for the unknown. Like I say, I won't make it worth very much. Consider it kind of a bonus.